Last year, Montana recorded one of its most severe fire seasons since 2017. Wildfires burned as late as December when one tore through the town of Denton. According to the Northern Rockies Coordination Center, Montana saw more than 2,500 wildfires in 2021, burning a total of nearly 750,000 acres. This year, authorities are again preparing for dangerous conditions. MTN senior reporter Jonathan Ambarian was at the state's annual fire season briefing, and he has the latest.
On Monday, authorities told Governor Gianforte there's reason to expect another active fire year. They held their annual fire briefing earlier than usual, in recognition of the fact that Montana is seeing more fires outside the traditional fire season.
We learned many valuable lessons from the 2021 fire season. One of them being that we can no longer think of wildfire in terms of a season. Wildfire poses a threat to our communities year-round.
The Northern Rockies Coordination Center reported Monday that Montana has made some progress in catching up from last year's dry conditions, but they're still expecting to see more fires than average this summer, particularly east of the Continental Divide. State, local, and federal agencies all participated in the briefing, stressing the importance of working together to respond to fires.
Montanans can have confidence in this team's ability to respond to whatever challenges this wildfire season is going to bring us.
Gianforte emphasized he wants the state and its partners to focus on aggressive early attack to put fires out when they're small. He pointed to the state's efforts to expand forest management and fuels reduction, and the decision to raise pay for seasonal firefighters. Also on Monday, Gianforte signed a proclamation recognizing May as Wildfire Awareness Month and encouraging all Montana residents and visitors to be prepared for fires and to recreate safely in the outdoors to reduce the chance of human-caused fires. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.